Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. In this installation guide, we will walk you through the steps for replacing the new front coil struts for an Audi A4 or A4 Quattro B8 and an Audi A5 or A5 Quattro 8T with Arnott parts. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Raise the vehicle and remove the applicable front wheel. After the wheel is taken off, remove the upper control arm pinch bolt. Now, separate the upper control arms from the wheel carrier. Remove the axle guard trim to access the sway bar end link bolt. Now disconnect the sway bar end link from the fork mount. Then remove the bottom fork mount bolt. Next, remove the fork mount pinch bolt. Now that the fork mount is loose, remove it from the shock. To finish the removal, remove the 4 top mount bolts from the strut assembly and remove it from the vehicle. The old strut assembly still has the control arms attached. These need to be removed and installed back onto the new shock assembly. After you have attached the control arms, install the new assembly on the vehicle. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Install the 4 top mount bolts from the strut assembly. Then reinstall the lower fork mount onto the shock. Continue by reinstalling the bottom fork mount bolt and sway bar end link bolt. Then reinstall the fork mount pinch bolt and reconnect the control arms to the wheel carrier. Finally, reinstall the axle guard trim and reinstall the front wheel. You have now completed the installation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the front coil strut with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.